Being an entrepreneur is everything for me. Have you checked the inventory lately?
I did. In Seattle, we have a wig-making business due to a hormonal imbalance that I have that causes male pattern baldness. And I did not have confidence. And I'm like, I know there's plenty of other women that are trying to find a quality wig.
How we were able to have such a great business together because she can be creative and I can analyze, schedule, make things, you know, make sense. Living in Seattle, it's very expensive, and we would like to be able to have some financial freedom. And Los Cabos provides a type of liberation for us right now.
We visited Cabo one time. So it was the Leo and me. I'm like, let's move. Los Cabos, it's a beautiful creative space.
Also, we would like to establish and grow our business into Cabo. Cabo San Lucas, in particular, is known more of the Beverly Hills of Mexico.
We do want to open up a retail showroom. You have a lot of international travelers here. You can find every hair extension that you could possibly want in the world. What woman wouldn't want to come to Los Cabos, right?
We feel like moving to Mexico would allow us the work life, but also the chill life we work hard to be able to have. So I'm excited, but I'm also a little nervous.
What's that to think about?
There's things to think about.
We want at least 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
We have 2 dogs, so we must have space for the dogs. I cook everything, so the kitchen is very important to me.
She does cook, but she doesn't clean. So I really need a dishwasher.
Now that is true.
Okay.
I would like a pool, a patio, modern layout.
I'm not so much on the modern charm. I'm in Mexico. I want to feel like I'm in Mexico.
We plan on working from home, but we also want to open up a retail showroom.
So we should definitely have a prime location. And I don't expect to be in Cabo without seeing water, like daily.
It's a short 5-minute walk to downtown Cabo San Lucas.
That's great.
Wow.
That is great. This is
New,
nice.
modern. This unit's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay.
It's only $850 a month.
That is perfect.
Oh my goodness.
Modern, clean.
Quite sterile and white
Okay.
so far. But seems like we got a full-size oven. Yeah, we're gonna make some good meals.
Oh, well, hold on. Where is the dishwasher?
That's the only thing I couldn't provide for you, Jasmine.
Oh, no.
I think we got a good place to wash dishes right over here.
Oh, Biggs and Lola will be in here washing dishes. That's who's gonna be the dishwashers here.
I would definitely say she's stubborn.
The guest bedroom has lots of natural light,
Sounds good.
but let's check out the main bedroom.
Wow.
Look at that. We have a king-size bed.
I like it. What's in the store?
Has an ensuite bathroom.
It's definitely nice to have my own sink.
It has a partition. I can lock you out of the shower. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this view.
This view is amazing.
Is that for me?
That's the neighbor's pool, Jasmine.
Where's my pool?
There's no pool here. It is a little bit inland from the ocean, but it's a 2-minute walk to the beach from the apartment, which is really nice.
I'm really liking this vibe.
This apartment, it has an amazing view of the Sea of Cortez. It has an incredible balcony.
Hey.
It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath.
1 bedroom, 1 bath. And how much is it?
It's $1,000 a month.
Say 1,000?
I'm willing to see it, girl.
Okay, I like your way.
Ah.
It's a nice big living room. Lots of charm. I really like that.
But I see there's a desk here.
So this would be the only workspace.
This is definitely something for you, Mirica, but I don't see a peruca making space. I have to move furniture out of the way to accommodate for my tripod and hair, which I didn't necessarily want to do. I do see a dishwasher.
And I do see an oven.
But kitchen seems a little dated.
Yeah, I don't know what year this was made in. Look at this tile. And we get a bathtub.
This is not gonna work. It's one sink, one mirror. You know, my spa time is gonna be very limited in this small bathroom.
But I think you'll really love the main bedroom.
Look at these French doors.
What you think about the bed?
What size bed is this?
It's a queen size.
Okay.
You know, that's a little small for us. So although I love the French doors, I'm concerned that it's only because they're open to where this room actually feels big right now.
Well, let's try it out.
You gonna lock me in
Just
here?
a minute, just a minute. Yes!
You gonna walk in like that every day?
Every day.
Check this out.
This is amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Toes on the sand, 2 minutes.
Oh
man,
my goodness.
I love that. Me, Biggs, and Lola, I mean, we could work out there.
Really, really like that.
Wait till you see this.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's an infinity pool!
Oh my God.
Ava!
And you get that beautiful view.
I can definitely get used to this.
Well, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square feet.
Wow.
Okay. And the price?
It's $950 a month. What do you guys think?
Wow.
I am impressed.
That view is picture perfect. I mean, no TV needed
No.
at all. And the floors have a little bit of charm
Yeah.
here. And we have a nice kitchen going here.
And look, honey, a dishwasher.
A dishwasher.
Look at that.
But let's check out this view.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I am in love.
So can you imagine sitting out here, having coffee?
Enjoying
Yeah.
the sunrise and the sunset.
I heard it's called the Baja Glow.
That's right.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see it.
If she likes it, the cost is not gonna matter to her. But that view, you kind of disregard everything else. So maybe there's something in there that's to convince me.
Here's the main bedroom. What do you think?
The bed's a little small,
A little small.
but the bathroom is huge.
It is pretty big.
It could work.
Let's have a look at the guest bedroom.
Okay.
Maybe your clothes could come over here along with the perukas.
Oh, so you just want me to move in the second bedroom. I got it.
No,
Okay.
no.
But I don't think this would be a good space for me to actually make the perukas. I think the lighting in here is dark. But maybe.
You guys want to check out the outside?
Wow, there's your pool.
Okay.
That's what you wanted, right,
More
Jasmine?
like a dip in, dip out.
But you asked for a pool, and you got a pool. San Jose is not worth the extra $100. The oven, I would need to wake up a few ancestors to be like, how does this work? Plus, it's 1 bedroom, 1 bath.
I agree. This space definitely will not accommodate our workspace life.
So now I'm hiking up to the Hilltop Condo. We get 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. I don't get an oven. You get a dishwasher. We sitting and we watching the sunset. We got a charm. It's $50 over. That's not as big of a deal to me. And Lola and Biggs would absolutely love it. Win-win.
No, honey. That second bedroom, how am I supposed to make my perukas in that dark room?
You can go jump in the pool at any time. At the modern place, it has no pool.
But with a modern condo, I'm actually willing to wash dishes with my hands. I don't even get a pool. All you have to give me is my modern space. I put some charm in the condo to your liking. I mean, come on.
Well, I will say that the $850 is looking really, really nice. That's a deal.
All right, deal. Biggs, please, son, let me work.
We still don't have a space where people can actually come in and purchase, but Jasmine has all the inspiration that she needs to keep making new and improved products. You want some wine too, huh?
This house is more than what we could ever dream of.